Hi there, it's unboxing time, and thank you so much, Erin, for such a lovely and sweet birthday gift here. Aku penasaran banget karena lihat deh, it's super cute and it's coming from Glacérie. It says happy birthday, hope it's filled with happiness and plenty of love. I can't wait. By the way, ini aku udah buka tadi soalnya pengen banget lihat what's in the Glacérie. Boxnya lucu banget ya. And it's Glacérie by Laras Putriasih, established in 2020. Must be fun and super cute. Dari boxingnya aja udah. Tada! Oops! Happiness starts here, from the first glance to the last bite. I can't wait for that. Packagingnya juga bagus ya. It has the necessary elements, like this, and the dry ice, the thermofreeze, which help you out with all the Glacérie. Ada 6 rasa. Let's see what we have here. This is fior di latte stracciatella. Oh, it's gonna be fun. We got lots of chocolate chip, mint and stracciatella. One of my favorite. Whenever I go to the gelato outlet. Coffee, cookies, and cream. I know who's gonna love and devour that. Vanilla Biscoff. Vanilla is cute and Biscoff is super sweet, so it's nice. What do we have here? Gianduha? Oops, excuse me if it is not right. Cocoa hazelnut. And this one as well. Mango sorbet. Can't wait to try it. Let's go.